in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show on Caribbean Gateway, guys. It's amazing to be on the show giving your favorite recipes. Anyway, we all know that, you know what I mean, a lot of people want to go healthy, a lot of people want to be healthy, and a lot of people want to stay healthy. I'm gonna share one of my secret recipe. It's gonna be a salad recipe. Yeah, it's a salad recipe, but really simple and effective. And I know you guys are going to love this one. So please stay tuned, don't go anywhere. First of all, this is how we're going to start it. I'm going to be naming out all of my ingredients, which I'm going to be using making this lovely simple salad at home. I got olive oil, and I have some honey, and also I have some sunflower seed, and also I got some green olive. Green olive is good for your immune system. I got cucumber, and I got some plum baby tomato, and also I got some pomegranate. Pomegranate is a seed. I get the seed from the pomegranate. I didn't show you how to do that, but you can do that at home, guys. I got some mixed leaf, a little bit of black pepper, and I'm gonna show you how you can make a simple salad at home. Alright, so basically what you need to do, guys, to make such a simple salad at home, and you know what I mean, you and your family can enjoy this salad. It's going to be starting just like this. I'll get my knife, and what I'm going to do is get the cucumber. I'm using roughly half of cucumber, cut it into half, and I'm gonna simply do some small slices. Very small slices, not too thick and not too thin, because I want everything to be even. Alright, so that's the cucumber, and all I'm going to do is cut it down into half. As I say, you can use, and not only that, guys, you can add a lot more recipe to this simple salad at home. But I know a lot of people like cucumber, like olive, and like the green leaf. Alright, so that's the cucumber so far. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the green olive, really nice. And also what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the parmesan. I had the green leaf, I had the green olive already. I'm gonna add the pomegranate seed inside of it like this. I'm using a good amount of a tablespoon, or roughly about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the green olive, guys. It's really nice, and the pomegranate seed. Give it a mix, and I know you guys will definitely love this. It's a very, very, very unique, healthy recipe where you guys can do this one at home, honestly. Then the baby plum tomato, I'm gonna just cut a few of them into half. I'm not gonna be using all of this. I'm just gonna give it a nice, lovely color, and I'm gonna just cut it into half. And it's really, really, really nice. And I know you guys will definitely enjoy this recipe. You can use any tomato you like to use, but I'm just using the baby plum tomato because that does look a little bit unique. Nice one. Then give it a lovely mix. Then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna add the seed now, the sunflower seed, in it like this. And it's just going to give it a lovely, lovely look and a nice, lovely color. Then I'm going to add my olive oil, roughly a tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm going to add some honey, a tablespoon of honey. And I'm going to give it a lovely stir. Not only that, you can add some lemon juice if you like to, but I'm just going to keep it very simple. Then I'm going to add some black pepper to it. Really nice and lovely. Give it a lovely stir and just keep it simple, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do, I have some mixed leaf right here, and I'm going to simply take out a little bit of the mixed leaf, just like this and just like this. Alright guys, it's just really amazing recipe, and it's just so simple. And not only that, guys, we have a lot more recipe will be coming from Chef Ricardo. And you know what I mean, the way I'm going to be doing the recipe, them very simple and effective. Now what we're going to do next is get that nice lovely salad which you just made a while ago. And I'm gonna simply pour it on top of this lovely green mixed leaf. And that only that is really healthy. You could put some spring onion, red onion, and all these things inside of it, but I'm just gonna be keeping it very simple because a lot of people doesn't like red onion. You can put garlic if you like to, but as I said, I'm just keeping it very, very simple. Get the rest of the mixed leaf, and I'm gonna simply put it on top of it, just like this. And I'm gonna sprinkle the rest of this nice, lovely mixture right here, guys. It is amazing salad recipe, guys. And honestly, not only that, if you're eating certain kind of meal, this definitely helps to balance off your meal. Seriously, really, really lovely and nice. And I love olive. Olive is just really amazing. And not only that, really colorful with the Parmesan ground seed. Oh my days, this is amazing. Let's put this one side. Guys, honestly, I'm not really be showing off on bossy or anything, but just take a good look right here. Everything is just looks so fantastic, lovely, unique, nice. And as I said, my name is Chef Ricardo. We always come with the best recipe. And listen, don't go anywhere, please stay right there. We got a lot more stuff coming in on the Caribbean Gateway show, guys. It's just amazing. So I decided to share one more very simple, unique salad. I will give you some more recipe when it comes to salad, and when it comes to certain kind of, you know what I mean, drink recipe. I'll have a lot of recipe for you guys, and I will definitely gonna share a lot more with you. Anyway, I want to say, don't forget you can follow me and also on Twitter, Instagram, and my Facebook. And don't forget, Chef Ricardo will always be in Caribbean Gateway show for the fans. We love you all. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. See you right there.